Dad, you know that man is the head of the family. You need to be going out and becoming him.
I know you're still a child. When you grow up, you'll understand this what I'm telling you now. Marriage is not a bed of roses. At times, what you expect might not be what you see. You see, if there's anything you will do for your own marriage to work, do it no matter what.
Other way it's you. Other way it's you. Other way it's you.
Okay, there, I'm off to work. So remember the things that you're supposed to do. Remember the clothes. That clothes they're too much. You need to wash all the clothes. And remember the soup in the fridge is almost finished. So you have to use that cocoyam there and make some soup, even if it's bitter leaf soup or heart soup. Please make sure you make it very tasty. And what else? Please keep the house clean and take care of the children. I don't want to hear any form of smell in their room. Flush their pools. You understand? Please make sure that environment, you know, they are kids, so that they will not get infected. Please make sure that their environments are very clean. Okay? And remember our bedroom. Please set the duvet and clean our bedroom space. It's almost a mess now. Okay? So, and stew. Yes, remember to make a stew. You can make ofaku or make tomato stew. Anyone is fine by me. And boil a whole lot of rice. Remember your children likes rice a lot. So I think that will be all for now. Okay? Please make sure you remember everything.
My daughter, what's happening? Why's your face like this?
Why are you not working?
It's a long story, my daughter, but why the question?
I saw how mommy is sending you on an errand.
It's nothing, my daughter. It's nothing. Trust me. The truth is that since daddy lost his job, you know, mom virtually becomes, the breadwinner. She has been the one caring for the family, paying the bills and all that, you know. You know, she used to go to work. And daddy has nothing doing for now. And with time, daddy will be able to stand on his feet again. I want you to know that it's nothing. I see it as nothing. Taking care of my children, washing their clothes, their clothes, the baby, fixing diapers, and taking you to school. It's nothing by me. It's something any normal human being can do. Baby, stay here. I want to talk to your sister. Blossom, you're still a kid. When you grow up, you'll understand. But one thing I know you'll never forget, even as a child, is this. Marriage is not what you think. At times, it's not a bed of roses. There are ups and downs. I know you may not understand this based on your age. But you see, whatever you will do to make your own marriage work, do it. If my wife is the breadwinner, the one catering for the family's need, I didn't see anything bad for daddy to be helping mommy doing the house chores. Are you understanding it? So what we will do is to pray for daddy to have his own work back, so that I can be able to support mommy. As I go out, mommy will be helping also with the house chores. So you must understand that family is not a bed. Marriage is not a bed of roses. At times, you see something like this, it will come. But you must understand that it's not something that will be there permanently. It's for a moment. Alright?
Dad, you know that man is the head of the family. You need to be going out and becoming him.
Wonderful advice. I will try as much as I can to get a job, my daughter. Thank you very much. Chimobi and Chiagozie, let me go and prepare you guys for school, okay?